Fingers, Mom.
Ito na yung bug habitat. You're mean. Okay. Yep. Lord, that's why I like this one, love, because they have a lens that make the bugs like big. Looks big. That's where you check.
That's the tools to catch bugs.
Yep. Tools. Look at that.
Okay, so you open this up.
When you catch bugs, you put it there.
So is this supposed to be water over here? Soil over on this side.
Yeah.
Can we take some bugs and put it there?
Yeah.
So this is the tool.
Can we do
Look at. That's where you
Catch
catch.
them in there.
Yay! So pag nabutang, malahi na yan ko, mabig na. So that's why I like this. It's like, kuan siya, move in any direction. Grabe ka clutter sa mong kuan. Good job eating, my loves. Super excited pa. Yan. Yan yung ilalagay sa container. And learning guide. So, mo ni ang among palit kay para kay mahilig manggod sila pangoleksyon og kuan guys, bugs. At the same time, maka-learn pud sila, makita nila ang para sa anang part sa mga insects. Yan. Yan siya. Okay, saka excited. Ito na sila sa gawas guys. Tingnan nyo guys. Sila guys. Nangoleksyon like bugs. Ay, sa super ka-excited. Nagupang abot si daddy. Tapos ang isa nagkuan pa. Nagpajama na. Excited kay sila. Then sila, can we get bugs now dad? Automatic dayon. Magkahugaw na po na sila. Nagtiniil na. Nagtiniil. Ay nako. Pero kaayo excited kaayo mga batuta sa ilahang bag-ong kalingawan. Ugma ani, sayo kay na sila, mangita na sila og insects. Tomorrow you gonna get busy, get bugs, okay? Yeah? Daddy put a leaf, put a soil. Ay nako. Yan sila. See? You could rotate, look, rotate. You could do like that.
Hold on.
What did you put in there?
2 snails, roly-poly.
Oh, you get snails?
And a grasshopper.
Grasshopper too? How you get it so fast?
I am skilled.
Skilled.
What's it?
You see the grasshopper?
Look.
Yeah?
Look.
You see, Dobby? Look at guys, dahil may bug park na sila, excited sila. Look! Did you see that? That's a bugs. Go get it, Matthias, because you're tall. Dali. Oh, you can't reach it. Go give it to Matthias. This one. You want to try to get it?
Yeah.
That's their tool, part of the tool. There are 3. Just pick one of them. Okay? Pick one of them. I know. Let's go pick it up. You want mommy to pick it up?
Yeah. I'm scared.
Oh.
Put it here.
Look at that, guys.
Put it here.
No, this one, because it might go. Look, this is so big. So that's why we went here early, because maybe there's bugs in our garden. Look, go hold it.
Oh, those bugs are eating those.
This is the bugs eating the thing, the tomato. It's good thing we came here. Come on, let's go put in our bug park. Your bug container, bug park. They call, the boys called it bug park. So yan, oh. So go find more. Oh, is the stick bug, Matthias? I found stick bug. Look over there. The tiny, very little one. Stick bug, guys. Oh. Yan. Basta na kay mga anak, guys, pati ikaw, malingaw na lang pag kuan. There. You see it? It's in the petal of the flower. They're excited, guys. Oh. Excited sila. Coming home? Daddy will come home this afternoon. Hours. Yan, naghahanap kami ng bugs. Since nga nga kubuhok ba, mura nagka ng naghahanap kami dyan. Kasi maulan dito guys, so support sa mga anak. Naghahanap ng bugs. Look at guys. Yeah? Filter sa among pool. Oh, careful. Careful. Go, put it in. Go, go, go. Put it out. Go, close it right there. Close. Good job.
Yes, it's a thick bug now.
It's in the middle. I like in the petal. Look at. Guys, you wanna observe first what we get? We're so excited to get it. So, yan siya guys. Yan, makikita mo yan siya. Uy, nawala man ang beetle. Na atong ma-observe.
Buggy better.
Yep. Ang nakaganda siya guys. Na siya murag ka ng pampadako ba? Na lens. Need lang siya light. Oh, cause dark. Oh, look! It's over here.
Oh.
That's what we got in the garden, guys. Yan. Wow. That's so good. It's so big. Yeah?
Yeah.
Look, he likes the stick. He likes the stick mommy put.
Yeah. Yes.
Let's go get the stick bag. Look at oh, baskin ulan. Hala. Baskin ulan. You can see it? Basta na kay mga anak guys, support. Support jud ka, support. Kaysa sa magsigig dula og kuan manguleksyon ta og kuan. Og mga mananap.
We have the biggest buggy better.
Go, go, go. Be careful. Yan. Patuloy ang hunting sa bugs. Rain or shine. Kita na ko guys. So, murag ako may nalingaw ani kasi since taas man ako yung magsigkabo. In the pedal. Petal.
I can't see.
Ang petal na kumuro na pedal. Look at guys. Let's hunt. So, yan. Yan yung kunin natin. Andiyan siya sa petal. Sa petal siya naghang out. Hoy. Hoy, ang hirap.
Whoa, we have stick bug.
Yep. Oh, it's so tiny, Nak.
We are so proud of you.
He's so proud of me.
Yeah.
Gita lang po na tong flower, oy.
Oh, of
So we could... Oh, it's right here!
something flying up high. And you... I see something. It's so small.
Yeah, it's small. It's tiny one. But it's good though.
Dragonfly.
A dragonfly too?
Yeah. Yeah, I
Oh,
see
it's right there. Yeah, it's flying, but it's hard to get dragonfly.
How hard?
It's hard because they're flying around.
See?
Hey, hold it. Who's the one gonna hold it? Oh. His papa. The bird. Here.
You find a deep bug.
Yep, that's it for now. Because we have lots. Come on. Don't open, ha? Kukuan na kasi it's kuan. Maambon. Taligsik siya. Taligsik. Tiny stick bug. No. Ezekiel find it. What's that? Let me see. Is that alive? Oh, they're all dead. That's so sad. Look at this, guys. All
No,
dead.
Not dead.
I think they're dead.
They're thin.
I know they're. Oh, it's like they're changing skin, huh? Yeah, and mauni ang ilang bagal. Yeah, they change skin. I think that one not moving. We don't get anything not moving. Good job, boys. You are a bugs expert. Okay. Nindot siya guys, okay. Tanawa yung lock guys. Murag baunan bito sa tua. Ng old school na baunan. Baunan style. Go observe. You wanna go see it?
Yeah.
Go see it.
I want to see.
You could see it here too if there's bugs. There's a lot pa man kuan.
I want to.
Very watery. Hello? Oh, do you like the thing, Nak? Look. The big bug likes the flower of the tobacco.
I can't see tobacco.
Yeah, the flower in there, the big flower. See it?
I can't see the deep bug. Yeah.
See.
No bug. I can't see it.
Mommy, put it in the big bug.
I can't.
You see it?
Yeah, I see it.
You see it?
Yeah.
Thank you for watching. Gunta, magkita-kita pa kita sa sunod na higayon. God bless everyone.